Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this lacy stitch. It's easy to make and you can use it anywhere you want. If you want, you can make a throw with that, or you can use it for your summer blouses or cardigans. I hope you like it. I use a 4 size yarn for make this one. Now I will use this one. It's size 2, okay, and I will use 3mm crochet hook with that. If you are ready, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, we can start. I will start with a slip knot. And then we need multiples of 10 chains, okay? Then plus 5. You can start with 35, 45, 55, just finish it with 5, okay? And make your chains loosey as you can. You can use a bigger crochet hook here. I made 35 chains just for show you. I will skip 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yarn over twice and into that 10th chain, I will insert my hook here. Grab the yarn, yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through from second 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through from third 2 loops. Okay, that's a treble. Chain 2, yarn over twice and into same place make a treble. Chain 2, make one more, 2 chain, treble, it's 4, 2 chain, and that's the last one. I made 5 treble into same space. Chain 4 and skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 into that 5th one. Make a single crochet. Chain 4. Skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and into the 5th chain. Make a treble, 2 chain, treble, 2 chain, and that's the last one. I made 5 treble and 4 2 chain space, separate them. Chain 4, skip 4 and into the next chain, make a single crochet, chain 4, skip 4 and into the next chain, make a treble. Two, 3, 4 and 5. And now we will make one more treble into that last chain space. Okay, that's the end of the first row. Row 2, you will start the row 2 with 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn your work. And yarn over twice into that first 2 chain space. We will make cluster. How make this? Insert your hook and grab the yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through from second 2 loops, and leave this treble like that. Don't complete it. We will make this one more time, and one more. We have 4 loops on the hook. Just grab the yarn and pull it through from all the loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and into the next 2 chain space, insert your hook and make a single crochet. Chain 3, into that next chain 2 space, make a single crochet. Chain 5, into the next one we will make the same thing. Yarn over twice. That's 1, 2, 3. Complete them together. Okay, we complete the first one. Now we will make the second. Chain 2, skip here, okay, and into that first 2 chain space I will make a cluster with 3 half treble, 3 trebles half, or okay, complete them together. 5 chain, into the next one make a single crochet. 3 chain, into the next one make a single crochet. 5 chain again. You see it's symmetrical. We will make the same thing. Make a cluster. 1, 2. Complete them together. Chain 2. Skip here. Yarn over twice and make a cluster. Chain 5, single crochet here, chain 3, single crochet, chain 5, and one last cluster. Oops, sorry. You can close it with a chain if you want. Yarn over twice and make a treble here into that space. And that's the end of the row 2. For row 3, we will start with 6 chain, 4 chain for the trebles, 2 chain for 2 chain space, okay? We will make this one, but half of it here. Yarn over twice. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Yes. He settled down, and I hope he leave me. No. And I hope he let me show you. No, he won't. I will come soon. Okay, we love each other a little bit, then he leave me. Yarn over twice, and I will make a treble here. That's the second one, as I said before. Chain 2 and make the third one. Okay. Chain 4, skip here, and into that 3 chain space, make a single crochet. Chain 4, yarn over twice, and into that 2 chain space. Here we will make a 5 treble with 2 chains. And that's 5. Chain 4, into that 3 chain space, make a single crochet. Chain 4, yarn over twice, and between these 2 clusters, make a treble, 2 chain, treble, 2 chain. Two chain, and that's the last one. I will make it slowly. I won't rush. Chain 4 and make a single crochet here. Chain 4 and make your last 3 here into that space, okay? You can make it here too. It's not too important. 1, chain 2, 2, chain 2, 3. And that's the end of the row 3. For the other row, we will start with 3 chain and turn. Into that first 2 chain space, we will make a single crochet. We make this 3 chain space here, okay? Then we will make 5 chains and a cluster into the next one here. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull it through from all the loops. Chain 2, yarn over twice, skip here, and into that first 2 chain space, make a cluster. Chain 5, in the next 2 chain space, make a single crochet. Chain 3, make a single crochet. Chain 5, make a cluster. Chain 2, I will make the same thing for here. I'm at the end. I'm making my last cluster now. Chain 5 into that chain space. I will make a single crochet, chain 3 and make one more single crochet into same space. Chain 1 and turn. Now we will make this row 1 again. Okay. Insert my hook into that 3 chain space and make a single crochet, and we will start from here. Now chain 4 into here, this 2 chain space, make a treble, chain 2, treble, chain 2, treble, and again chain 4 into that 3 chain space, make a single crochet. I will complete this row like that. I'll see you at the end. I'm at the end of the row and I will make a treble into that chain space. Okay, I start with 4 chain here, and that's a treble, and that's a treble again. Now we will repeat this row 2. Start with 4 chain, turn and make a cluster here. Okay, then we will repeat row 3, row 4. Just keep make it bigger like that. Oh, I want to show you how I finish it too. You can leave it like that. This make your last row with these clusters and chains and finish it like that. I complete it and then chain 1 and single crochet into same space, then chain 5, single crochet. I made single crochet into that 3 chain space, chain 5, single crochet into that 2 chain space, chain 5, single crochet into that 3 chain space again. Okay, I will just make 5 chains and single crochets and close it like that, but you're not have to make this. I hope you like this tutorial. I think we can make a summer top with that maybe. I will think about it because I like it very much. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And Siniz Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.